coroner's office hasn't been this busy since like the 1930s.
Welcome to Factory Machines. In today's video, you'll see some of the most unbelievable road moments caught on camera. From reckless drivers and red light runners to sudden crashes, close calls, flying debris, and dangerous mistakes, every clip proves how fast a normal drive can turn into chaos. Watch until the end, because some of these moments happen so quickly, you might need to see them twice. A woman sped through a parking lot at a dangerously high speed and nearly hit the person filming. Parking lots may look harmless, but careless speed can turn them into accident zones very quickly. This driver had a bad day with overpasses, and the dashcam captured the risky moment. Road design, speed, and poor judgment can create danger very quickly. A school bus was rear-ended by a full-size truck. Any crash involving a school bus is serious because children and other passengers may be at risk. A driver turned directly in front of a motorcycle, creating a dangerous moment. Motorcycles are smaller and easier to miss, so every turn requires extra attention. This clip raises the classic question, who is at fault here? The dashcam helps show the timing, movement, and decisions that led to the dangerous moment. In Canada, a pedestrian got extremely lucky today. The vehicle came close enough to make this a serious warning about crosswalk awareness. In Russia, a Volga bus lost its engine while driving. Mechanical failures like this can create sudden danger for both passengers and nearby vehicles. A driver treated stop signs like they were optional while driving an SUV. Ignoring basic traffic rules can turn an ordinary neighborhood road into a crash risk.
What did you think as you watched it unfold and then what happened after?
I was sickened by the standing ovation. I felt like...
In Canada, an F-350 cut across two lanes just to run a red light. That single reckless move could have caused a serious side impact crash.
Hey, video.
In Pacifica, California, the dashcam captured a close call that happened in just a few seconds. The driver escaped, but only because the timing barely worked out. In Belarus, a driver somehow avoided crashing into a motorcycle. The situation was extremely close, and one small delay could have ended badly.
What the actual fuck? Oh my god.
A man wearing a construction vest walked directly in front of a moving car. Even in work zones, pedestrians and drivers both need to stay fully aware. This crash raises another question about who was at fault. The dashcam helps viewers see the timing, movement, and decisions before impact. A vehicle suddenly collided with the recording car. The footage shows how fast a normal drive can turn into a crash when someone misjudges the road.
Then you didn't respond with the same energy. You're like, what's up?
No turn signals were used, and the result is simple, but it gives other drivers the warning they need. An exhaust pipe came loose on I-64 and became a road hazard. Parts falling from vehicles can surprise drivers and cause serious damage at highway speed. This kind of driving almost looks like idiocy as a diagnosis. The choices on display were risky, unnecessary, and dangerous for everyone nearby. All good, mate. Just a few scratches might sound relaxed, but the footage still shows a risky situation. Even minor damage can come from a serious mistake. An RV turned against traffic, and the rear end was badly wiped out. Large vehicles need extra space and careful planning before every turn. This clip shows dangerous driving that almost feels unbelievable. But on the road, one careless decision can put everyone nearby at risk. Said everything was fine with just a few scratches, but the footage still shows a risky situation. Even minor crashes can carry important lessons. A car entered the carpool lane almost sideways, creating a frightening close call. Sudden lane entries like this leave other drivers with almost no time to react. This situation could have been much worse. The drivers came dangerously close to a serious crash, but quick reactions helped prevent the worst outcome. Sweden, a logging truck started to suffer from trailer sway, creating a dangerous situation on the road. Heavy loads need perfect control, because once a trailer swings, it can become hard to stop. An angry Jeep driver tried to overtake illegally and ended up causing a crash. This clip proves that frustration behind the wheel can quickly turn into a costly mistake.
Oh yeah, FDR. Yeah, he goes, oh yeah, FDR. That quote, why that quote?
At a three-way intersection, a simple fender bender was caught on camera. Even low-speed crashes can happen when drivers misjudge timing or right-of-way.
Oh, goddamn.
This clip leaves one big question. Who is at fault here? The situation is a good reminder that dashcam footage can help explain what really happened. A truck bed cover flew off a car carrier and hit the recording vehicle on the freeway. Loose cargo at highway speed can become a dangerous flying object. Two ramps merged into an interstate, and the situation became confusing fast. In merging zones, every driver needs patience, space, and clear signal. A small truck was involved in a hit-and-run situation. Leaving the scene only makes the incident worse and turns a crash into a bigger legal problem. The driver honked, accelerated hard around the recording car, and then crashed near the airport. This is a clear reminder that aggressive driving rarely saves time, but it can create danger in seconds. A white SUV claimed the smaller car hit them, but the police changed their view after watching the dashcam. Video evidence can be stronger than anyone's memory. A lorry driver apparently fell asleep and woke up facing the wrong direction. Fatigue behind the wheel is extremely dangerous, especially in a large vehicle. The driver knew the footage might get criticized, but it still shows a valuable road lesson. Sometimes reviewing mistakes is the best way to become safer. A driver decided to turn left from the right lane while the light was green. That sudden move created confusion and danger for everyone nearby. A silver SUV claimed the Malibu ran a light, but the Dashcam told a different story. Even the officer thanked the driver for the video because clear footage can change everything.
I got that on my camera. Oh wow.
The camera caught this incident last Friday, and the footage shows why dashcams are so useful. A normal drive can become important evidence in seconds. A vehicle lost an entire tire, creating a serious hazard on the road. Mechanical failures can happen suddenly, so regular inspections are extremely important. One mistake is all it takes on the road. This clip shows how a single poor decision can turn into a dangerous situation almost instantly.
Oh shit.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, this road moment happened fast and looked extremely risky. Sometimes the only thing drivers can do is react and hope there is enough space. A tiny smart car ended up in a situation where the driver probably felt lucky and clever at the same time. Small cars still need big awareness on busy roads. This driver honked, floored the gas, rushed around the recording car, and then crashed near the airport. It is a perfect reminder that aggressive driving does not save time. It only creates danger faster. A woman sped through a parking lot at a dangerously high speed and nearly hit the person filming. Parking lots are full of blind spots, and driving like this can turn deadly in seconds. This is what many people call Altima activities. Unpredictable moves, risky driving, and poor decision-making all happening at once. The road becomes dangerous when drivers act without thinking.
Bro,
Are you serious?
I'm dead ass.
Maybe they were in a huge hurry, but that still does not excuse reckless driving. One careless move can put everyone around them in danger.
Holy shit. Oh my goodness.
Our office hasn't been this busy since like
This dash captured a confusing but dangerous road moment where one mistake could have changed everything. Sometimes the footage is hard to tell, but the danger is very clear. In Ontario, Canada, a driver in a big hurry tailgated the recording car in the right lane and still found time to force them to stop. Aggressive driving like this makes the road dangerous for everyone. This clip is supposed to show protecting and serving, but the situation looks tense and risky. Even vehicles with authority must move carefully in traffic. Welcome to Flint, Michigan, where this dashcam captured another unpredictable road moment. One bad decision was enough to make the whole scene feel dangerous.
Are you in rescue work?
During a lane change, the recording driver almost hit a speeding car that came up fast. This is why checking mirrors is important, but speeders can still create impossible situations.
Sit down.
A silver SUV argued that the Malibu ran a light, but the dashcam told a different story. The officer thanked the driver for the video because footage can reveal the truth. This Boston left turn became even more dangerous when a second driver tried to follow through. At busy intersections, copying another driver's risky move can lead to trouble. In Sweden, a logging truck started to experience trailer sway. When a heavy trailer begins swinging, it can quickly turn into a serious hazard for nearby traffic. "My lane, move out of the way" is exactly the kind of attitude that creates danger on the road. Driving is not about ego, it is about sharing space safely. A driver turned directly in front of a motorcycle, creating a dangerous situation. Motorcycles are smaller and easier to miss, so every turn needs extra caution.
What the fuck?
A small truck was involved in a hit and run. Leaving the scene only makes the situation worse and turns a crash into a much bigger problem. Keep calm. That is the best thing to do when a dangerous road moment happens. Panic can make a bad situation even worse. The driver knew they might get criticized for this clip, but it still shows a useful lesson. Watching mistakes back on camera can help everyone drive better. A lot of people defended this passing move, but the footage still looks risky. Passing should only happen when there is enough space, visibility, and time. The recording driver dealt with this genius on the way home last night. One careless driver can make an ordinary commute stressful and dangerous in seconds.